Hey, what's up, you guys? This is Akhilan from AkhilanTech. And guys, we all use the internet and we all browse the data in the browsers like the Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or even the Opera browser and many other browsers. And these all browsers will be free, means you don't need to pay any money for using these browsers, but still they earn a lot of money like the Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or even the Opera browser or any other browsers earns a lot of money. How is that possible? Watch the video till the end because I will be sharing how this Google Chrome earns a lot of money even if the app is free. So let's get started. And guys, before tuning into the video, I recommend you to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon so that you'll be reminded every time I post a new video in my YouTube channel. And after you have done that, let's get into the topic. So basically all these Google Chrome and other browsers will only depend on the advertisements. See, when you search in Google, either it may be from your mobile phone or even from your PC or even from your laptop or any other gadget. Then on the right side corner of your search results page, you will find some of the advertisements showing like the GoDaddy.com or even the Flipkart or Amazon.com. So as usual, the owners of those advertisements will pay to this Google Chrome or any other browser that you are using because it totally depends on you on which browser you are using. And guys, even you will find some of the links of the Gmail, YouTube, or even the Google Drive or any other platform links on the Google search page. So through these links also, the Google Chrome or any other browser will earn some money. And after you got the search results, of course, we'll open any one of the website. So after you have opened the website also, you will get some of the advertisements in that website. So some of the money will be shared to the owner of the website and some of the money will be taken by the browser, either it may be the Google Chrome or any other browser. And guys, some of the people will be using the Apple MacBook Pro or the Apple iPhone or any Apple gadgets. In those, the default browser will be the Safari browser. Means pre-install you will not get the Google Chrome browser or any other browser. Pre-install will get only the Safari browser. So when you search in the Safari browser, the default search engine is the google.com. Actually, this deal was done in the last year, that is in the 2019. In 2019, the Google owners paid $12 million to the Safari browser to make the google.com as a default search engine. Means when you directly open the Safari browser and when you directly type anything, the automated results will be in the google.com search engine. And even in the web browsers like the Opera web browser, you will find some of the links on the home page like the amazon.com or even the Flipkart, Facebook or any other links directly on the home page. So these owners will pay some of the money to the Opera browser to showcase their links on the Opera browser homepage. So like this also, some of the money will be generated for the browsers. And guys, at any point of time, you will be signing into the Google. So when you sign into the Google will automatically track your data. That is, they will store your email address and the password and any other data. So with this data, the Google will analyze that in which ads are you interested. The Google will analyze that in which ads a user is interested. For example, if you are a user who uses the Flipkart most, then the next time when you open the browser, the Google will show you the ads that are only related to the Flipkart. These are called the personalized app. What are these personalized ads means that the Google will show you the ads that you are only interested in. There are more chances of clicking that link. So when you directly click on that link, the Google will earn money easily. And also when you search for a product in the Google, then on the top right side corner, you will find the links of the Flipkart, Amazon or even the eBay or any other e-commerce websites. So this e-commerce website also pays some money to the Google to show their links directly on the Google Chrome search results. And also some of the websites owners will pay some money to the Google to show their link, that is a website link, on the top of your search results. For example, if you just type anything related to the technology, one of the website that is recently created, if you just pay some of the money to the Google owner, then that link will be shown in the top results. So like that, most people will directly click on that link and that website will have a huge engagement and in this way the website and the Google Chrome or any other browser will be benefited. And guys, share me in the comment box below which browser do you use the most. I am very curious to know your answer. And that's all from this video. If you find this video is informative, hit that like button and share it to your friends as much as possible. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment box below because I will definitely answer your questions. And guys, I'm also thinking to make a video on the why Google Chrome is not as much secure as the Mozilla Firefox. So if you want to see that video, do subscribe my channel by clicking the AkhilanTech logo and clicking subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell icon so that you'll be reminded every time I post a new video in my YouTube channel. And thanks for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Cheers.